Hey there everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about basically a plugin which is named as Thrive Architect. So this is a page builder. As we know, there are Elementor and WP Bakery, or we should call it DV. With the help of these page builder, we are able to design some really good looking and amazing looking websites. So today we will see what are the functionalities, what are the template in this Thrive Architect. So before starting, I will show you the sales page of this particular plugin, and with the help of this plugin we can literally create any kind of website, right? Let me show you the our product section so that you can get a rough idea. So today we are going to see this Thrive Architect. This is a drag and drop editor for WordPress. So let me click on this and you will get a rough idea what are the things these guys provide us. Okay, if you scroll down you can get through the whole documentation thing what we are getting through. And if I talk about the price, what are the prices in which they are offering us the whole thing. So let me come back to the home page of this official website, and you can become a member. You have to click here, and let me show you what are the membership plan of this. Okay, as you can see, it's monthly $19, and if you go for the yearly access, you will you will have to pay a lot of amount. Okay, so basically, on our website, you can get this for a real cheap price for $10, and you can use it for unlimited website as well. Okay, so it's totally upon you to get a regular license key or a GPL one. You get the difference, right? So I will just download here, click on download now, and let's wait for the download. As you can see, it has been started. I will cancel it because I have already downloaded it. So it's now time to install this particular plugin on our website. Coming back to our website, here is a fresh install WordPress website right in front of you. So if you don't know how to log into a dashboard, it's pretty simple. You just have to type WP admin and you will be redirected to your dashboard. Okay, so once you are redirected, on the left hand side you will see multiple things like settings. Under the setting thing you can change the permalink, media section, discussion section, everything, right? Under the tool section you can import some plugins. You can import the website, export the website. And under the user section you will be able to create multiple user and assign them different roles. And under the plugin section there are like a lot of plugins with the help of which you can add some extra functionalities to your website. So today we are going to deal with the plugin section. We will add new plugin. So as you can see here, by default WordPress provide you a numbers of free plugin, but the thing is in the free plugin there are some kind of limitation, and to fulfill that limitation you have to buy the premium plugin of that particular thing, right? If you see this Yoast SEO is one of the popular plugin for SEO, but they also provide you a premium package, right? So to get the premium functionalities you need to get the premium version of Yoast. Okay, so today we are going to upload our Thrive theme. It's let's select the file, and here it is, Thrive Architect. Install now. So basically it will upload the file to your website, then we have to activate it. It might take you a couple of seconds. Let's wait for it. Don't hurry about it. It will take a couple of seconds. Okay, as you can see everything has been activated successfully. Let's activate this plugin. Click on activate plugin, and here you can see Thrive Architect has been activated successfully. You get a dashboard. So let's create a page. Okay, create a new page. I will name it as home page. Okay, let's see how our website looks right now. Nothing changed, everything, because we haven't installed any theme yet. It is the default theme, right? So nothing has to be changed. Let's name it as home page. We will change our home page later when we design this. Publish this page. Okay, and let's launch Thrive Architect. Okay, so it will open you a interface where you can edit everything in a very super easy manner. Okay, so let's edit everything. We have to import or you can just create any section, right? If we want to click here and drag a text here, drag text, and you can literally name it as anything, hello world. Okay, or if we want to drag another text, let's drag a image. Okay, if you're dragging an image, then you can edit this, or you can just delete this. It's as simple as you think. But let me show you how you can do everything in a super easy way. You just have to click here and you can select any template which you want. So let's create a landing page. If I'm not wrong, here are some smart landing page. I will select this landing page, and let's go for this template. Choose the template and it will import the whole template on your particular page. Let's wait for it, then you will get a rough idea what I'm talking about. As you can see, it's loading, and as you can see, the whole template has been inserted on your website and it looks pretty good, hasn't it? Okay, so let me save this work and let's preview how our particular page looks like. So this looks really good if I'm not wrong. And if you look in the mobile view, everything is mobile responsive also, right? And this looks really good to me. And if you want to save this as your home page, you can do that with ease, right? You just have to come back to a dashboard, settings, general. If I'm not wrong, it will be in reading section and static home page. Select home, select this, and coming back to your website. And as you can see, the home page has been set it up with the template which you have installed on your page. As simple as that is. So you can literally make any kind of website. This is the home page, and if you want to insert more template, you can just click here and insert any of one of the template which you want to insert, right? So basically it's almost similar like a DV or Elementor. The thing is the Thrive made up their own builder, so nothing wrong about it. So if you want to buy it, you can always come to our website and get it for a real affordable price. If we offer the same functionalities and the same product at a real good price, right? So, and if you are running a WordPress agency company, or you are a freelancer who develops WordPress on a regular basis, then you can always check out our membership plan, because with the help of membership plan you get a lot of benefits. Let me explain you what they are. So as you can scroll down, and you will see that lifetime plan will cost you approximately $359, and with the help of this plan you will be able to download 5,400 items per year, which is totally insane because this website consists of more than 6,000 WordPress plugins and themes, which is totally great, right? And if you don't have that much amount of money to spend in the initial stage, I would rather suggest you to go for the monthly plan, which will cost you around $29, which is quite cheap. And with the help of this plan, you will be able to download 300 items per month, which is quite good, right? So I just want to wrap this video up. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.